Hello there, Magalanga. This is Raine of 5 p.m. Online Jam. And in few minutes, or few seconds rather, we have uploaded this video for you to watch today, and hope you enjoy watching. Just enjoy listening. And of course, if you don't mind, kung hindi nyo makadikit si Raine, please like, subscribe, and leave your comments. And of course, request nyo na rin kung may mga request kayo. And shout out everybody here. Hello, shout out to you. And here's the song for you all. Enjoy watching. Thank you, mga langga.
Here's from Bachelor Girl. This is buses and trains, ladies and gentlemen. Let me check my monitor. Okay, all good for now. Hold on. Okay, ready. And here we go.
Hey Mom, why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you catch me a thing or two? You just let me go out into the world. Never
langga. Naku, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa pakikinig at panonood ng aming video today. And we have also more uploads in our channel, so hope you don't mind clicking them and listening, and of course leave your comments below. Thank you all so much for the support. Again, this is Raine and Badjhoe of 5 p.m. Online Jam. Bye! Thank you mga langga!